Progiclean, a 100% web software that allows you to optimize your business management and increase in productivity. Progiclean supports all your company's services in their daily management. John runs a cleaning company.
Progiclean allows me to quickly access key information to drive my profitability. My team's gained in productivity and serenity at work.
Nick is operations manager.
With Progiclean, operation management is much easier for me. This solution allows me to manage all my activity in real time. Everything is managed in a few clicks.
July is billing manager.
Thanks to Progiclean, I have access to badging and billing information in real time. With only one click, I generate my bills partially or fully. I save 5 working days at the end of the month.
Courtney is HR manager.
Progiclean generates work contracts and end-of-month payrolls. The software manages absences, replacements and worked hours, so my payroll summary is done automatically. A real time saver.
Chloe, manage quality.
The quality control made by my inspectors and the satisfaction surveys go straight back to Progiclean in real time. From the web interface, I create my quality forms, implement action plans, and monitor them. I also manage nonconformities and customer complaints made by their client interface.
So contact us to digitalize the management of your daily activity with Progiclean.